All right, listen up, TikTokers. Before you scroll away, click the link in the description for a cheeky discount on ManyChat. Trust me, you'll want in on this. So let's talk about that TikTok game. Ever felt like you're shouting into the void? Posting videos, hoping anyone will actually DM you? Well, what if I told you there's a way to get more out of every single follower without spending your whole life replying to DMs? Enter ManyChat. Now, if you haven't heard of ManyChat, it's like your own personal assistant, except it doesn't steal your snacks or judge your video drafts. It's a chatbot, but not the boring kind. With ManyChat, you can slide into your followers' DMs instantly and automatically. No more waiting for your phone to buzz. Imagine this. You post a video, maybe it's a dance, a tutorial, or if you're me, a tragic attempt at both. You ask people to comment a keyword like link or freebie. ManyChat jumps in, reads those comments, and boom, instantly sends them whatever you've promised right in their DMs. But wait, there's more. You can set up automated replies, welcome messages, even quizzes or giveaways, so your followers feel like you're chatting to them one-on-one. Plus, you can collect emails, grow your list, or even guide people to your shop, all without spamming or looking desperate. And don't worry, setting it up is a doddle. If you can upload a TikTok, you can set up ManyChat. There are step-by-step guides, templates, and loads of tips to help you out. So don't be the only one left behind while your mates are getting all the brand deals and collabs. Click that link in the description for your special offer and watch your TikTok blow up. Trust me, your future self and your inbox will thank you. All right, I'm off to set up my next chatbot. Don't forget, links below. Go grab your discount before it's gone.